Hi, I'm Gabe, and I'm going to go over homework 3 for ME 154. I'm going to go over the first one, and what we're supposed to do is create a mechanism that does this position initially and then this position afterwards. I'm going to be following Guide to Homework 3 Dyads, which I'll put in the description later. Alright, so first thing to do is draw a link CD in these two desired positions. So as you can see, we already have that. I'm going to put C1 here, D1 here, C2 here, D2 here. Draw construction lines from point C1 to C2 for construction. C1 to C2. And then we're going to also create more construction lines from D1 to D2 for construction. Okay. Bisect those lines. So infinite line for construction. Bisected. It's a good one. We want to have a second bisection. For construction infinite line again. Bisected. Oh, whoops. This was the wrong one. Bisecting the lines between them. There we go. Alright. And then now it says to choose a point between on these two lines. I'll choose those 2 points, and we're going to label them as O2 and O4. Okay, O2, O4. Connect O2 with C1. I'm going to use links O2 of C1. And we're going to call that link 2. Then we're going to create another connecting O4 with D1. And calling that link 4. I'm going to create another one, C1 to D1. We're going to call that link 3. And this one, O4 to O2. We're going to call that link 1, but we're not actually going to link it. We're just going to have a line. Okay. That's what we have so far. Okay, I'm going to fix these points. So right now, what we have, or we should have, is something that moves like this. I'm just going to delete a couple of these to make it clearer. Ooh, what happened there? I didn't set my dimensions yet. That's what happened. Okay, so I'm going to put some points in just to make sure we know where these are. And that was the wrong deletion. The other one? I don't want them to go inside, right? point. That is not coincident with the other one. Okay. Is it that one? Nope. I guess I won't get it then. That's fine. Get rid of that. So for now, I'm going to start smart dimensioning. It's going to be whatever its value is. It's going to be whatever its value is. Whatever its value is. As you can see, it moves from this position to this position quite easily. Cool. Alright. So now we need to go on to example 3, 4 to create a dyad. This is link 1. Select a convenient point on link 2. Convenient point could be here, which I will do that. Cool. There we go. Okay. That is a convenient point on link 2. Draw an arc from position 1 to position 2 on link 2. So that's my position 2. I'm just going to do that and then delete. Now we have the 2 points. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create these points as values of B1 and B2. Okay. They say to connect them and then just make it really far out. Sure. Select a point on the line. Because we are now on example 3-1. Draw the chord in extended duration in either direction. Select a point on O2, point O2. Okay, so this will be called other O2 for now, which is going to be O6 later. Okay, then we're gonna take a look at the distance from here to here. I'm gonna copy that value. And we're gonna create a circle with that radius. Okay. There we go. And then we'll keep that smart dimension there. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do, yes, I'm going to make that a construction line. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create some more bars. Sure. And then I'm also going to label this as A1 and A2. Cool. A1 and A2. Okay, so now what I have is I need to make this point coincident with that, but first I want to lock this position before it moves around on me. So coincident, I want to make those two coincident, and I'm just going to make it so it's just about even with that. I don't want it to be coincident with the side, so I try to not click exactly on the point. Cool. I'm going to also make this one coincident with that one. And then I'm just gonna rotate that. And then I want to make this one coincident with that one. This might give me an issue. I guess it didn't. Awesome. Okay, and then I'm going to drag it back to position 1, whatever that was. It's like it was here. Right? Yeah, it was here. And then I'm also going to make this smart dimension like that. Okay, I'm going to label these as link 5 and link 6, I think, right? Link 6 and link 5. Link 5. Okay. So this one is link 5, that one is link 6. Cool. And so now if I do, whoa, okay. Huh. I didn't create that right. Okay. So now I want to smart dimension this one. Cool. And now you can see that it will go between the first position and the second position. I hope this helps.